was just a shepherd boy, without a shield, without a sword, fed up with the giant's voice, screaming curses to the Lord. Now I walked down the hill alone, with a pocket full of river stones. But what the Philistine couldn't see is what I had was more than me. See, on my own I'm weak, but my God fights for me.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Opal. If you're joining us for the first time, I know it's been a minute since we did a voiceover video, and sorry, I've been in the state of isma plasma, but then I'm back, I'm better. Okay? Okay, so today the CEO of Omaricode Cosmetics is my model. Yes, she's the CEO of a cosmetic brand, and I've been on an egg for her to be my model since forever. So yeah, that's what this is about. And I'm going to be trying some of our products. For example, the brow pencil is from our brand, the lashes, the highlighter, the lipsticks, and I think the glow. Okay, yeah, the highlighter, I already said that. So yeah, I'm going to be trying some of our products, and you guys, I'm not really going to like talk through everything because you guys know my processes already. If you have any questions, don't forget to leave it in the comment section, and I'll be more than happy to explain to you guys. The list of every product I use is going to be in the description box as usual, guys. So don't panic, don't fret, just enjoy. And I don't really want to talk too much. All right, yeah. So if you guys need the explanation about anything, please don't hesitate to ask me in the comment section. I'll be more than happy to tell you guys. So until then, I love you guys. Don't forget to share, subscribe, click the description, click the bell, click the bell, and yeah, that's it. We're gonna have some cool fun. So yeah, I love you guys. I don't have anything else to say. Peace out, kisses.
Story here today. What's the giant in your way? Are you trapped and can't get out? Or are you staring down a lion's mouth? Can you stand before the Lord? Or do you need to hit the floor? It don't matter what you've done, 'cause the battle is already won. So lift your voice with me and say that
stand against our King. No one can, no one will. Victory belongs to Jesus. Victory belongs to Him. Than enough, yeah. If all I sing is Jesus, 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 it's more than enough. Oh yeah, yeah. If all I sing is Jesus, 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 it's more than enough. Sing it. my heart, my heart. You made a way. Don't know how, but you did it. You made a way. Standing here, not knowing how we'll get through this test, but holding on to faith. You know yeah. Nothing can catch you by surprise. Said you got this figured out, and you're watching us now. And when it looks as if we can win, you wrap us in your arms. Everything we need, you say you got this in control. And now we know that you made a way. When our backs were against the wall and it looked as if it was over, Lord, you made a way. And we're standing here only because you made a way. You made a way. So now we're here, looking back on where we come from. Because of you and nothing we've done to deserve the love and mercy you showed. Your grace was strong enough, and you picked us up. Say you made a way. When our backs were against the wall, and it looked as if Father, you made a way. You made a way, and we're standing here only because. Sing it again. You made a way. When our backs were against the wall, and it looked as if there was no way out, but you made a way. And we're standing here right now only because so you move mountains, you cause walls to fall with your power, perform miracles. There is nothing that's impossible, and we're standing here only because you move, you cause walls with your awesome power. You perform miracles, yeah. There is nothing, oh God, that's impossible. Everything you do, and we're standing here only because. Said you move mountains, said you cause walls to fall. You got mighty power. You perform miracles every day. There is nothing that's impossible. Yeah, and we're standing here only because we ain't going nowhere. We're standing here tonight, giving you praise. You deserve it all. We're standing here only because you made every day, every hour, Lord. You keep making ways for me. You made a way. You made a way. You bless my life so much. I'm so blessed tonight.
guys, this is the final look. I'm done. I hope you guys love it. I actually really enjoyed making this look or creating this look. Like, I literally gave myself a round of applause after. It's so banging and she was such a dope model. Anyways, if you guys love the look, don't forget to like, share and subscribe and leave a comment. I really want to know what you guys think. Is this a yes or a no? And shout out to my model. I love you. Thank you guys so much for hanging with me. I love you guys. Kisses. Mwah.
Standing here only because you made. You move mountains. Hey, telling you about my God. He moves mighty mountains. He kicks them out of the way. Said he moves big mountains. Yes, he does. Ooh, it does. Yeah, he moves mountains. Yeah. There's another thing that he does so well. He causes walls to fall. 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 He causes chains to break. Every chain is breaking right now. Every chain is breaking right now. Every chain is breaking right now. Giants fall. Giants fall. Doesn't matter how tall they are, they'll fall. Doesn't matter how big they are, they'll fall. You move mountains. If you believe it tonight, you know that he moves mountains. Yeah. Hey. Mountains are moving. Mountains are moving. Strongholds are breaking. Strongholds are breaking. Every curse is broken tonight because Jesus is around. He's making mighty, mighty, mighty ways. Oh, put your hands together for the King of Kings. Yeah.